All right, students, we have short division and divisibility by 3, 6, and 9. So you all have learned long division. Long division is what you see on the left side there. Now, short division follows the same steps, but it shortens it a little bit. So in long division, if you did 56 divided by 4, you'd follow the same steps. Divide 1, multiply, 4 times 1 is 4, subtract 1 down there, bring down, subtract, bring down the 6, and then you start at the beginning again. 16 divided by 4 is 4, minus 16, and you're done. In short division, you follow the same steps, but you write down fewer parts of the process. So 56 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4, you got 1. And then you do this next part mentally. You don't write it out. So these parts in red here, you're all doing mentally in your head, and you're abbreviating it by writing it at the top. So 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, so you put a 1 right there. And now you have 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and you're done. That would be long division. So let's do another example here. You have a total of 840 people attend 5 performances of the school play. Find the average number of people who attended each performance by dividing 840 by 5. 840 divided by 5. All right, 5 goes into 8 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So you put a 3 here. Now you have 34 divided by 5. 34 divided by 5. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 would give me 30. 34 minus 30 is 4. So now I have a 4 over here. And I have 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 goes into 48 times. 5 times 8 is 0, so I'm done. That would be the short division way to do that problem. Now, you can switch to using short division if you want, or you can have some practice with it. I will not make you start doing short division. You can continue to do long division if you prefer. So in your lesson practice with these examples, it says divide using short division. You don't have to use short division. You can continue to use long division. But if you want to try it out, if you're able to do short division, it will actually make the process a little bit faster for you. You have less to write down. Now, divisibility tests by 3, 6, and 9. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So if I have like 345, I'm going to add up all those numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that gives me 9, 10, 11, 12. That equals 12. So since 12 is divisible by 3, that means 345 would also be divisible by 3. So you add up the different numbers. For divisibility by 6, it's if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number would be divisible by 6. So you would perform the divisibility test for 3. So if I have 345, 3 plus 4 plus 5, that gives me 12. And then you look at, so yes, it is divisible by 3. Check. And now is the number divisible by 2? You can tell if a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. So with 345, the last digit is a 5. So it is not divisible by 2. So that would mean it is not divisible by 6. And then you have 9. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So you'd perform the same divisibility test. So if I had 345, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12 is not divisible by 9. All right, which of these numbers is divisible by 3, by 6, and by 9? So divisibility test you'd perform for each one of these. So to figure out if it's divisible by 3, 4 plus 5 plus 6 That gives me 9. That gives me 15. Okay. So is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So, all right. And then is this number even with a 6? Yes. So it's divisible by 3, 6. And then is that number divisible by 9? No. So just 3 and 6 for this one. Try the next one. 5 plus 6 plus 7. That would give me 13, 18. So is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. Is it divisible by 6? Let's see, that's an odd number, so no. Is it divisible by 9? Yes. So this is divisible by 3 and 9. 5 plus 7 plus 6. That would give me 12, 18 again. Just switched up. Is this divisible by 3? Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. Even number, which means it's also divisible by 6. And 18 is also divisible by 9. And then D, 6 plus 4 plus 5. That would give me 15. 15 is divisible by 3. It's an odd number, so it's not divisible by 6. And 15 is not divisible by 9. So just 3 for that one. So the number that is divisible by 3, 6, and 9 would be letter C. All right, that is the lesson. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me during math class.